welcome back to PyGorithm. My name is T2S.
And finally, we are starting with a series on Python.
It is one of the fastest growing languages. In what terms? In terms of the number of developers who are using it, in terms of the number of libraries we have, in terms of the number of companies who are using it, in the terms of the areas you can implement it. You talk about machine learning, you talk about GUI, software development, web development, and you can use it everywhere. And that's why it is also called a general purpose language, like everybody. So in this video, we will talk about what is Python and why it is so useful and why you should learn it. So what is Python? As I mentioned, Python is a programming language, of course, but it is also interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level language. It does not mean that you cannot do the procedures here. You can. It also supports procedure-oriented programming, as well as object-oriented. It depends upon your purpose. You can use it the way you want, but why they are so famous? We have C, C++, Java, JavaScripts, and still Python is famous. Now, some people say that Python is a new language, but not exactly. Java came into the picture in 1995 and Python came in 1989. So it's way before Java, right? Now, so when Java has come into the picture, the enterprise market, everyone started using Java, but Python was there, and it was there for other people to use. For example, you want to learn a language for the first time. Python is there. But now, since the advancement of machine learning and AI, this is the field where we have research scientists. They don't want to spend much time on learning programming language. So what they do, they went for the easiest language available, and the easiest language available in the market is Python. And yes, Python is damn easy. It is much simpler than C, C++, and Java. That's why most of the colleges and schools, they are teaching Python. You might be thinking about which company uses Python. There are a few small companies who uses Python. We have Google, we have YouTube, and we have Dropbox, so we can see all these companies who are using Python as a main language or as a support language. For example, let's say Google has so many features. Some of those features are coded in Python. One of the biggest websites, called Reddit, is written in Python. And now let's focus this name on Python. And in fact, when you talk about C, C++, and Java, they have their own story, right? And then what about Python? Is it just because this language looks like a snake? Not exactly. The author of Python is a big fan of a British comedy movie called as Monty Python's Flying Circus. And that's why he went with the name Python, and everyone wanted everyone to like it. And that's why he went for the same name, Python. Now, can we learn Python? And my answer is yes. It is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. And even if you are from a non-technical background, you have not written any code, you can start with Python. What if I say Python came into the picture just to help those people who don't know how to write code? Well, in fact, children can learn Python. It's that easy. Now, Python has multiple versions. We have Python 1.0, we have Python 2.0, and we have Python 3.0. And of course, we should be learning 3.0. In the case with Python, the different versions as per the different ways of working. So which one you should learn of 3.0, because it is new and there will be a lot of features which you can work on. So that's the introduction of this video. And in the next video, we will talk about how to install Python. How to work with different stuff, and an entire series. You will enjoy this. Hope you will be watching this series. Let me know in the comment section and hit the like button if you are enjoying it. Thanks for watching, everyone.